In this video, we're going to solve a problem which appeared in JEE Main 2023. It's a problem of integration. Now let's go ahead and solve this particular problem. So notice that we need to find out the integration of 0 to 3 mod of x square minus 3x plus 2. Now we know that, right? That the definition of a mod function, whatever may be, if I take it as a fx, right? So fx mod will be always fx, function of fx, if the fx is greater than equal to 0, and it will be definitely be minus fx when fx is less than 0. So therefore the definition of this integration will depends on the function x square minus 3x plus 2, in which region it need to be greater than and it need to be less than equal to 0. So now the function will be greater than of something or less than of something. It will be easily observed by sketching the function. So first our job is to sketch the function x square minus 3x plus 2. Let's go ahead. So first we consider that integration I, and now we consider the function fx, which is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. Let's factorize the fact function by middle term factorization. So it gives me that x minus 2 and x minus 1. Now if fx we consider at 0, then the roots are x equal to 1 and x equal to 2. Therefore, we have both real roots, and that's why it will cross the x-axis at x equal to 1 and x equal to 2. And also, we observe that f0 is equal to 2 and that is greater than 0, right? So therefore, with this concept, we are now able to sketch the function. So for that, we consider the x-axis and y-axis, and also we consider that interval 0 to 3 in between all the points 1 and 2. Now let's go ahead. Now see that f0 is equal to 2, right? So it is positive. Now as it need to cross the x-axis at 1 and 2, so this is the possible graph of x square minus 3x plus 2. Okay, and obviously the coefficient of x squared is positive, so therefore it is open upwards. So in that particular basis also we can draw the sketch, but here we go ahead in this general way, because if the equation is cubic polynomial or a 4-degree polynomial or anything, right, we can sketch it based on this phenomena. So that's why we just explain that logic. Now let's go ahead. So based on the figure, we can easily observe that x square minus 3x plus 2 is greater than 0 in 0 to 1 and 2 to 3. And obviously it's less than 0 in the interval 1 to 2. So therefore, we can easily rewrite the integration or the mod of x square minus 3x plus 2 will be equal to x square minus 3x plus 2 when x lies in the interval 0 to 1 and 2 to 3. In other way, it will have minus of x squared minus 3x plus 2 when x lies between 1 and 2. So that's the first step of this problem. Now notice that as the definition of the function fx is actually changing, right? In between in every interval 0 to 1 and 2 to 3 and 1 to 2. So therefore, to find out the integration, we need to divide the interval 0 to 3, the integration domain, in multiple parts. So therefore, we can say that it will be 0 to 1, the positive part, 1 to 2, we have to use the negative part, and 2 to 3, again, it will be the positive part. Now, obviously, see that all the integration now easily can be computed using the formula that integration of x to the power n dx is x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So if we apply that, we get our job done. Now, obviously, we need to substitute our lower limit and upper limit in every cases and do able to perform the arithmetic calculation. Now, after substituting on the lower and upper limit, we get a huge relation of that fractional summation and all that stuff. So we have to do the calculation step by step because we don't have a calculator. So that's the difficult job in this particular problem. The calculation, we have to be precise on that. And if we perform that, we get the value of the integration will comes around 22. And that's why for this particular problem, option, not option, then it's a numerical value problem. So the correct answer will be 22. And that's it. Hope you understood the problem. So stay with us and keep learning using this online platform, and please subscribe to our channel so that it will be motivation for us, and feel free to comment so that we can learn that what you want from our side. And that's it from this video. See you in next video. Thank you and keep learning.